Hey guys, Kim came on here yesterday and she told us all about a lot of the reasons and the whys, and she poured her heart out pretty well for us. And she, like I said, told us about all the whys of how to get going and kind of how she um, talks to people and shares. And so then I'm supposed to follow up with that today and kind of give you some of the nuts and bolts and how it can help you and other things you can share with your consultants. So here on the screen, you can see the Spark program. And basically, this is, like I said, just nuts and bolts with a few notes that I put on here. So let's say you enroll somebody this month in September. They need to enroll with the $695 or $995 kit, and then they have met enrollment month. So you can be like, check, got that. Okay. Oops, wrong place. My bad. Oops. All right, check. Got enrollment month. And then that's all they have to do. $695 or $995 kit. And then during their Spark Month 1, they need to hit EC, is what it says up here. So they need 100 in their SV and then sell $600 worth of stuff. And so then they hit EC. But what I wanted to add on to here is basically what they also should do is recruit their first consultant and sign them. So if they sign them with the 600 kit, that would meet that. So you actually would not have to necessarily sell the $600 worth of products. You'll want to, but that would meet that requirement for you. So that's it for that month. So then, yeah, check. And what do you get? You get sample packs, you get 3 lead the way miles, and your sponsor also gets some samples. So that's awesome. And then, so that was October. In November, you are going to sell your 600 and meet your 100 SV. You're going to help your first consultant from here hit EC. That will put you to level 1. If you recruit and sign your second consultant at the $695 or the $995 kit to get them set up and going on Spark, then that 600 or 900 there will go into your PSQV again. So that recruiting can help you meet your sales goals in these early months. And so then you're like, wow, check. You get $400. And you might be thinking, okay, Leah, well, I'm already past Spark. I've been in this for a while. But this is how you can help explain it to your new consultants. So like I said, Kim gave you the heart of it, and here's what you can share with them. So you can tell them that basically within their first 3 months, between September and December, they can earn back this money. Okay, and then, let's see, can I move myself out of the way? I'm gonna move. Oh, fancy. And then what you're going to do is in December, you are going to hit EC. Or you know what? Hey, recruit somebody else to hit your 600. But put your 100 in your SV, hit your 600 PSQV, that's your part, and then help both of these people hit EC. That puts 2 EC legs underneath you. That puts you at a level 2. And what bam, 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 600 bucks, 600 bucks in your pocket, plus more product packs, plus 9 lead the way miles, and then your sponsor gets some samples. So that's the nuts and bolts of this and kind of a timeline. So you can go over here and insert, wherever you are, but share this with your prospects. Because this is huge. So even if they sign with $695 kit, they have the option of earning, I started to say winning, of earning back $1,000. Or if they sign with the $995 kit, they have the option of earning back $1,000. I don't think I understood at first the importance of signing consultants. And, like Kim said yesterday, you just have to share with people and let them know that it's going to be fun and you'll do this together and recruit people that you love and that you want to work with. And that should make it easier. All right. Thanks for watching.